Hello, friends. Welcome to Weathercast. And this is my weekly feature, Start Your Week with Weather Updates. And this particular update is valid from September 6th until September 12th, 2020. So the synopsis is as follows. The monsoon trough, or also known as the monsoon intra-seasonal oscillation, is right now positioned at near South India, mostly covering parts of Tamil Nadu, parts of South Interior Karnataka, and parts of Kerala. So, under the influence of this monsoon trough, South India and Peninsular India will get good rains for the next few days, and most of the interior places in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka will also get thunderstorms. And these rains and thunder showers will be active at least until September 8th or 9th. Only once the trough shifts towards central India, then the activity will reduce. But for the next at least 3 to 4 days, things are looking very active for South India, especially Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, interior Karnataka, and Kerala and Ghat sections of Kerala and Karnataka, as well as parts of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh as well. Since the monsoon trough is not very conducive for West Coast and Central India, there is a break phase for these places along the Konkan coast as well as Central India. And only light to moderate rains are expected. That too in the evening, it will be thunder shower type of rains because of the daytime heating. Convective activity will increase, hence, you can expect some isolated or scattered thunder showers. So, like I said, except South India, most places will experience dry conditions until September 8th or 9th. This also includes parts of North India and Northeast and Northwest. Of course, some isolated scattered showers cannot be ruled out. So, as I said, only once the monsoon trough moves up north, covering Central India and North India, rainfall activity will pick up over Konkan and Central India, and that is expected from September 10th onwards. So this is the monsoon intra-seasonal oscillation map or the monsoon trough map. So like I said, around September, as of today, September 5th and 6th, the monsoon trough, if you look at the timestamp, it is covering the southern tip and peninsula. Okay, this is where the monsoon oscillation is. Hence, the South Indian regions are going to get some good rains. And slowly, since the meso has a behavior of moving northwards, so it will slowly move to the central India, getting into phase 2. Once it is in phase 2, places in North Konkan, which is Mumbai and surroundings, will get heavy rains. That is the only time when they get heavy rains. So that is getting into phase 2 is expected around September 12th or so. So let us see. This is timestamp. This is September 6th. 7, it is moving to phase 1, and then by September 12th, see, it is coming to phase 2. So that is when Mumbai will the Mumbai rains will revive. Those heavy rains are expected after September 12th. Until then, we don't have to worry much about heavy rains for Mumbai. And Central India activity will also pick up once the monsoon intra-seasonal oscillation moves up north. So this is the general weather pattern. If you draw the monsoon trough axis, it will be passing through the parts of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. That is the reason why the places around South India and Peninsular India are expected to get some good rains until September 9th or so. And after September 10th, since the monsoon axis is shifting, so if you now draw the monsoon axis, it is now slowly shifting towards central India. So as that happens, slowly the rainfall activity is going to increase over South Konkan, and then slowly it will further progress into North Konkan and parts of central India. So we definitely have a good monsoon season remaining. Withdrawal is not expected at least until September 15th or 18th. The first stage of withdrawal, which will be from northwest India. So that withdrawal stage is still not close by. I think it will happen after September 15th. So Mumbai has still some monsoon fuel left. So at least one heavy shower is likely around between September 12th and 15th. One bout of heavy shower is possible. And by end of the monsoon season, there may be one more shower. So the monsoon is still very active. That's what I wanted to say. And the Bay of Bengal is active, so maybe a low pressure could be produced in the later half of September. that needs to be watched. So that is the synopsis for this coming week. Once again, thank you for your support, and please subscribe to my channel for regular weather updates along with the dynamics. Thank you and have a good day.